Praise God. What I saw when we were entering the election time, I saw the church. It's like I saw 3 leaders of the church. 2, they are prophets that are celebrated in the church. They were having something like loggerheads against some movements that were happening in the political area of our nation. And what I saw is the church is going to be attacking, or what I'll say, like in a simple way, the political situation is going to be attacking the church, because the church, they're trying to put the church into politics, and the church wants to move in its way. But now the Lord showed me a lot of leaders trying to enter the church, but the doors were closed. And by the reason that the doors were closed, I saw now there are issues after issues and issues after issues concerning leaders of churches. I saw specifically 3 leaders that were missed by jail terms this year because of the political situation that we are going to enter into. And the Lord said that this is going to be a conflict that is going to happen between the politics and the church. And I will just say even something like of interest. As I was praying, I saw something like a vision that I saw when I was praying for the political situation. I saw this month, and as we are touching like the month of May, I saw as we are touching the month of May, I saw something like a flag wrapped around a coffin. And they are carrying the coffin, and there is a flag on it. And the Lord spoke to me that this is a sign that someone is living, and this person is influential, because I saw the flag of this nation tied around a coffin. But this person is like influential, they're involved in a top position. But as I was praying, I saw something like an initial. That's what I saw. I saw them giving me an initial. I saw something like a C. I'm sure that is where I'll just end. I saw something like a C concerning the name of the person that I saw wrapped up in the coffin. And the Lord spoke to me and he said that this is a sign that I'm going to give to you. The month of May, I saw someone living, influential person. I saw a flag tied around the coffin. And the Lord spoke to me that this is a sign concerning my word that I'm speaking to you. There's going to be a time where the church and the political leaders are going to have loggerheads. There are going to be conflicts that I saw in the realms of the spirit. And what I saw is like I was trying to open the door into 2017, and there was blood that welcomed me into 2017. I saw it flowing as I opened the door, and the Lord spoke to me that grace is needed for the church even in this time. And I also speak about what I'm seeing concerning where we are going politically as a nation. I saw something like people coming together, small groups coming together. But as they came together for a common fight and a common reason, the Lord showed me this is a part, and these are small parts that have joined together. But at the end of the day, I still see the same result repeating itself again. And I don't know, I saw something like a man from these small parts hospitalized again. And I saw the man needing prayer for him to live. This is what I saw. But the Lord spoke to me and he said that prayers are needed for elections, and grace is needed for the church in this time we are entering. This is what I saw.
You mentioned about 3 leaders.
Yes.
3 leaders of the church or 3 leaders of the church?
3 leaders of the church, like major movements of Pentecostal movements, prophetic movements.
And you don't want to share the names?
Yeah, like I'm not at personal liberty to share.
This is what the Lord is saying. It's not Prophet Madungu we say. I'm sorry. It's not Prophet Fungai we say. It's the Lord. This is what the Lord is saying. I'm not supposed to share it here.
Okay, well, I'll just give a clue. I'm sure we need to pray for what I saw, we need to pray for the UFI family. We need to pray for Yada family. We need to pray for something. I see a man dressed in Anglican attire. This is what I saw. I see a man dressed in Anglican attire among these three. This is what I saw in the realms of the spirit. And the Lord spoke to me that we need to pray for these movements.
Then he said, the deadline for the coffin that is wrapped in a plane, it's next month. Yes, next month. What then will happen if by the end of next month we don't see someone influential departing? Would you say the prophet lied?
No. I'm sure we'll just stick to the standards. When God speaks something, we need to see its manifestation. And that is where I stand.